Let me teach you how we guys can recover deleted draft videos on TikTok. So let's say like you uninstalled the TikTok app and reinstalled it again, and you do have that draft saved in your gallery, but TikTok is just not able to access it. Like you go to your draft and it shows you nothing. Or let's say the video is stored on your device locally, but you don't see it on TikTok. Well, in that case, you can report the problem to TikTok staff because that's the only legit way to fix it, okay? And if you have deleted your draft videos from your gallery, you cannot access it because you just deleted it, because TikTok has this stupid function that just allows you to save your draft videos on your mobile storage locally. So if you delete it from there, you cannot access it. They don't store the draft video on their data server. You have to upload the video for them to store it on their data server. That's how this works. But let's say you do have the video locally stored. What you can do is click on profile at the bottom, click on the three line at the top, click on where it says settings and privacy, and scroll a bit down and click on report a problem. Over here you will see all these options. Just click on account and profile, click on profile page, click on others at the bottom, click on need more help at the end of the page, and it's gonna direct you here. Now you can talk with TikTok staff from here and they'll help you fix a problem. And that is basically how you guys can recover your deleted draft videos from TikTok. This is the only working method. Hope I was able to help you guys. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.